If you're looking to learn accounting with Xero, you're in the right place. This quick Xero explanation will help you understand how to use this powerful tool to manage your finances easily and efficiently. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or someone new to accounting, Xero offers a range of features that will streamline your accounting processes. Before we dive into it, if you're new to Xero, the best part is that you can actually start using the software for free thanks to our exclusive offer linked below, but stick around because we'll also reveal how you can maximize this tool to make accounting easy. So let's break it down. First off, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that's designed for small to medium-sized businesses, but it's flexible enough for anyone to use. What makes Xero stand out is its user-friendly interface and automation features. You don't need to be an accountant to start managing your books effectively. When you log into Xero, you'll notice the dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your financial situation. You can quickly view your bank balances, upcoming bills, and any outstanding invoices. This is key because having everything at your fingertips in real time means you're always on top of your finances. One of the core features of Xero is its ability to link with your bank account, allowing for automatic bank reconciliation. This feature will save you hours as it matches your transactions in Xero with what's happening in your bank, making it much easier to ensure everything is accurate. No more manual data entry. Next, we've got invoicing, which is super intuitive in Xero. You can create professional-looking invoices in just a few clicks. The software lets you customize invoices with your logo, set payment terms, and send them directly to clients. Plus, Xero keeps track of who's paid and who hasn't, so you'll never lose track of an outstanding invoice again. If you're managing multiple employees or contractors, Xero's payroll system is one of the best features. It automates tax calculations, generates payslips, and ensures compliance with tax laws. This takes the stress out of payroll, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business. But what really sets Xero apart is its strong reporting capabilities. From balance sheets to profit and loss statements, Xero generates detailed reports that help you make informed business decisions. The real-time data means you can act fast, whether it's cutting expenses or finding new revenue opportunities. For those who like to collaborate, Xero makes it easy to work with your accountant, financial advisor, or team members. You can grant different levels of access, ensuring the right people have the right information at all times. It's a great feature for businesses that need to stay on top of things without giving too much control to one person. Now, I promised you an exclusive offer to try Xero for free. If you follow the first link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial of this software. So, what are you waiting for? Jump into Xero and start taking control of your finances. In conclusion, learning accounting with Xero is both simple and powerful. With its cloud-based system, automated features, and real-time insights, Xero will help you stay on top of your finances without the headache. And remember, you can start using it for free today with the link below. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the free trial and start mastering Xero today.